everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Just wanted to show you a couple of things with some of our new products. First thing I wanted to talk about was this lovely stuff. I love this. I love the smell of rose. I think my bottle's half gone already. I use this not just for my hair, although I do. It makes a great little kind of a pep up for your hair, makes it smell great. When I do this and then I style my hair in something, it keeps that curl real nice from having it in one of the products. The other thing I do with this is use it as a moisturizer, and that's one of the uses recommended by the company. It's really wonderful. And that, the rose water and the Swerve, I don't know if you've ever used one of these. I'll demo it in just a minute. Those are the November special. So if you spend $80 or more anytime in November, you're going to get those both of those things for free. So great way to try them. So I will do just a bun with this. When I use the Swerve, I hold it with the curve like that. So it's the curve is away from the head. You gather just a little bit of hair on the end, let it touch your head, flip it around, hold that other opposite end of the twist and kind of work it over that. Now, some people this disappears completely because they have more hair. You see it on both ends because my hair is not very thick. So that's an easy way to use the Swerve. Also wanted to show you our new, this is our November Flexi, so it will be gone. I'm not sure how many are on the website right now, but it also comes in gold. Has a little drop pearl on the bottom. And I'm going to show you a drop bun with that, using just half your hair. So twist, oops, and turn it into a bun a couple times around if you can. Then turn that upside down. That's why it's called the drop bun, because you drop the bun, keep wrapping. And then you can end underneath there, and you put the clip right where that wrapped part is so that the pearl lays on the drop bun. You can also do that with all your hair. And I'm going to show you, this is one of our newest products, and there's several different styles. There's some really, really pretty ones. Excuse me. And then they come with a stick, or you can order it without the stick and then order a different stick if you like something else. But this is like the top of a Flexi. It's the same thing. It just doesn't have the pin attached, so you can mix and match. So I'm going to do the drop bun with that, with all my hair. Again, just turn that upside down, wrap that around. This time I think I'll leave a little bit kind of sticking out the top. Put the clip right on top of the wrapped part. Stick goes through. And there you go. So I think I'll just leave that in because I'm going out for Thanksgiving today, and I'll just let that be my style for today. So, couple things about the Black Friday sale. If you join the Lila Rose Inc. page, Lila Rose INC on Facebook, you will get notifications for the lives. They're going to do one each day during the sale. I'll post those times in my newsletters as well and on my Facebook page. Great things going on. There'll be tutorials. There'll be special releases that are only going to be available right then and after that live. So whatever's left, but during the live, they're going to be released. Some things that you won't see on the website otherwise. They'll be announcing the winners. Every day there's going to be 3 people chosen to win their order. So whatever they've ordered, if you already put an order in, you'll be entered into the giveaway for that. That's 3 each day, and then at the end of the sale, they're going to give away $1,000, which I think is totally amazing, to one person who has ordered during the sale. So I think that's everything. There's free shipping on $75. You get the rose water and Swerve if you place an $80 order, but all these details will be in the newsletter, so you don't have to remember all that. I will send it out at least once every day. So there you go. Happy Thanksgiving to you. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.